Here I have this PDF. What I can do is I can go and click this icon here, and this will show up my markup toolbar. One thing I can do is add a signature to this document. To do that, all I have to do is click on this icon here, and it will give me the option to create my signature. I could choose to create my signature on the trackpad or the camera. I'm going to choose the trackpad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to create my signature. Okay, once I am happy with my signature, I just press any key, and my signature is now created. I can click done. I can also create multiple signatures if I'd like. If I click here again, I can create another signature. So now I have two signatures I can choose from. I'm going to choose my original signature that I created. All I do is click on that signature with my cursor, and now it appears on my document. Then I can move the signature anywhere I'd like. Here is where I'd like to move my signature. I can enlarge it or change the size to make it smaller. I can also change the text color. To change the text color, all you do is click on this icon here. This also changes the outline of your shapes, outline color of your shapes. And then I'll change it to blue. You can also edit this whole PDF. So I can insert text. Here's my text to put my name. I can also insert shapes. So maybe I want to mark this here. So I'm going to move this and then make it smaller. Okay, and then if I don't like how the border looks, all I do is make it without border. And now I have inserted my shape, and I can fill this part out. Once I'm done with that, all I need to do is close it, and all my changes will be saved on this document. If I wanted to change the size and font of my text, all I have to do is click up here and change it to whatever text I want. And I can also change the color of the text here. Okay, and also the size and anything else that I want to change in terms of text. If I'm having a hard time reading specific areas of text, I can always zoom in to see those sections, but I can also just look at specific areas without zooming in. All I would have to do is click on the drop down where the shapes are and click on this icon here. This will allow me to just enlarge a section of my text that I want to read, and instead of having to zoom into the whole document. I can also change the size to make it easier for me to read. This next thing I'm going to show you will only work with image file. So here I have a screenshot. So once again, I'm going to find my markup tool. If I click on, if it doesn't automatically appear, you click on this arrow up here and click on markup, and then the toolbar will appear. So if I've taken a screenshot of my image and I want to be more specific on my screenshots, I can go up here to my selection tool and then click on the type of image I want to capture. So for Smart Lasso, what I can do is I can actually choose specific sections that I want to keep. So for example, here's South America. Maybe I want to keep that part of South America, so I'm going to wrap my cursor around South America. Once I've done that, I can go to edit and copy, and I can actually take that image and paste it into another document, and now I have my image. So I can also save this image in my desktop. All I need to do is, if I didn't already, click copy, and then go to File and click on New from Clipboard. Once I do that, it saves my file for me. I can change the name. You can also use Smart Lasso to capture specific areas quickly. So if I click on my selection toolbar and go to Smart Lasso and use that to quickly capture a section that I want. And I can click copy. And once again, I can save that. If I want to see the preview of what it could look like, I can just go to File and New Clipboard, and it will show me the section that I selected. If I don't like it, I can redo it again. If I do like it, then I can keep it. You can also choose the type of file you want to save it as. When you don't change the title, you just click on the X and it will allow you to select the format. So in this case, it will be saved as a PDF. But I can also choose to save it as an image file. Here I have an image file and I just want to save specific parts of this image. Once again, click on my markup toolbar and I can use what is called the instant alpha. So the instant alpha can remove or keep sections of images. So if I wanted to remove this section of this image, all I would have to do is put my cursor over the section and it will find the section of similar color. If I want to remove it, all I have to do is click on delete and it will remove that section of this image so that I can keep the rest. If I made a mistake, all I could do is click edit and undo and it will undo that part. But what if I wanted to keep just this section of my image? Once again, I just highlight the section, it will find the similar color, and then I can click copy, and now put that section in my new document here. Or once again, I can click File, New from Clipboard, and save this section as well. And that's it. These are some things that you can do with the MacBook Preview. Thank you for watching.